Imagine you have a tomato. I ask you, what is the tomato made of? To find out, let's look deep inside the tomato. So, I zoom in, and if I keep doing that, sooner or later, I start to see molecules emerging. But molecules aren't the end of the story because I can zoom in on them. If I make them big enough, deep down, I start to see atoms. Atoms aren't the end of the story either. We have electrons circling around the nucleus. So, if I zoom in on that and amplify, I see that the nucleus is made of particles, neutrons and protons. Zooming in on one of the neutrons, I find even more particles, tiny quarks inside. Now, that's where conventional ideas stop. But string theory suggests that inside those particles, there's something more. If I take a small quark and amplify it, I'll find a tiny filament, a strand of energy. Just like a guitar string, if I pluck it, it vibrates and creates a small musical note I can hear. The tiny strings in string theory, when they vibrate, don't produce musical notes. They create particles themselves. So, a quark is nothing more than a string vibrating in a pattern. An electron is nothing more than a string vibrating in a different pattern.